Good morning, student. Good morning, students of class second year. Today I discuss about the chapter 6, that is known as molecular basis of inheritance. This is the very most important chapter. That's the questions are surely coming from this portion in the, as well as your board examination as well as in NEET examination also. Actually, as you know very well that the chromosomes are made up of two type of macromolecules, that is the protein and nucleic acid. Again I repeated that you know very well known that the chromosomes are made up of protein macromolecule, that is called protein and nucleic acid. Means the nucleic acid are two types, that is the DNA and RNA. And DNA, that is a deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA is a ribonucleic acid. These two are you will study in the class first year in the chapter of biomolecule. So as far as concerned about the discovery of DNA, in the 1864, in the 1864, the 1864, 1844, 1864, the in 1864 the biologist, the J.F. Meiser, that is J.F. Johann Friedrich Meiser, that is a Swiss physician. He was isolated discovery of DNA in the 1864. J.F. Meiser, he was a Swiss physician and he was isolated a substance from the pus cell, that not contain sulfur. मतलब क्या था कि 1864 में J.F. माइसर नामक साइंटिस्ट हुए जिन्होंने पस सेल के अंदर से एक ऐसे सब्सटेंस को आइसोलेट किया जिसके अंदर सल्फर नहीं था। क्या था? क्या सल्फर के अलावा कुछ और था। ही वॉज गिवन द नेम that substance that isolate from the pus nucleus, that known as nuclein, because this substance is isolated from the nucleus. He was proposed the name nuclein, but later on there are other scientists come, that is known as Altmann. He analyzed the nuclein and suggested that this nuclein is the acidic in nature. Due to this, he was given the name nucleic acid. Now the Kossel is another scientist who identify the components of DNA, whether in DNA what is present and what is the chemical composition of DNA. So as well as there is a very doubt in the discovery of DNA as well as their nature. Some biologists regarded that it is either the genetic material or not. For this purpose, there is a certain experiment performed by different workers from time to time, like the transforming principle, like Griffith experiment, Hartree and Chase experiment. These experiments that prove that the DNA is the genetic material and that the responsible for transferring the character from one generation to another generation. As you know that the DNA is the containing the nitrogenous base, or you can be say that DNA. What is the DNA? So DNA is the polydeoxyribonucleotides. So it is the polymer of polydeoxyribonucleotide. Thank you.